Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by going straight to civic hubs, sheriff office, post office, train station, and main street billboards. Once there, scan vertical boards and walls. Posters are often posted at eye level near doors. Make sure to physically approach each paper and use the interaction prompt. This both reads and flags the wanted notice. You do this because the game treats posters as interactive objects. Interacting updates your map or journal. Once done, note once you collect the poster, open your journal or map to confirm the target's name, description, and bounty. Then set a waypoint on the listed town or region so you don't waste time searching. Make sure to mount your horse and plan the route. Fast travel to a nearby camp or ride directly if you need to follow visible clues. This matters because posters don't always spawn markers. Setting the waypoint keeps you focused and reduces backtracking. To finish, approach the suspect region carefully. Stealth or non-lethal takedowns preserve full bounty and avoid escalating wanted levels. Once you capture or kill the target, return to the nearest sheriff or post office to turn them in and collect the reward. If you can't find posters where expected, make sure you interacted properly. Revisit notice boards, leave and re-enter the town, or reload the area. This refreshes spawned posters and resolves most missing poster issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.